Okay, so we're going to go over number 7. We have 720 divided by 8. How do I set that up?
You put the 8 in the side, and then you have to put the 720
inside. Okay. Okay. So I have 720 divided by 8, and we need to go step by step. So let's go with our first one. So how many times can 8 go into 7? Can that happen?
1. Yes, 1.
Can 8 go into 7 though?
No.
No, it's too big. So we need to look at 72. 8 can go into 72. So if we think of our multiples of 8, how many times can 8 go into 72?
9.
9. Good. What is 8 times 9?
72.
72, and I can put my times here to remind me that I need to multiply. So I multiply 8 times 9 is 72. Now what do I do?
Subtract.
Subtract. So what is 2 minus 2?
0.
0. And 7 minus 7 is?
0.
0. But am I done?
No.
No. What do I need to do next? Well, I still have a 0 here that I haven't used.
So you have to bring it down.
Bring it down. Okay, so I bring down my 0. So now my new number is 0. How many times can 8 go into 0?
None.
None. So I'm going to put 0. 8 times 0. So 8 times 0 is?
9. 0.
0. And I can subtract that. So my quotient, my answer is what?
90.
90. And if I look on the side, that is C. 90. Okay, so let's go ahead now and try number 8. So we have 10. Well, we have 300 divided by 10. So I'm going to set that up this way. It's easier visually. Okay.
Well, I did it mentally.
You did it mentally. Yeah. That's great. So can you guide us through, Melanie?
Yeah. So first you have to say how many can 10 go into 3, and you can't do that. So you say how many can 10 go into 30, and that would be 3.
Okay.
So you put the 3 on the top.
Okay.
And then you have to say what is 10 times 3, which is 30. So put the 30 under, subtract that, and that would be 0, because 0 plus 0, subtracted by 0 is 0, and then 3 subtracted by 3 is 0.
Okay.
So then you bring down the 0. And then how many can 10 go into 0, which will be nothing. So you put a 0 there, and then the quotient is 30.
My quotient, my final answer is 30. Good. And is 30 here in my answers?
Yes.
Yes, that is G. Good job, guys. I'm so proud of you.